The question of customization and how can we make our analytics platform our own is something that we get all the time and that we can answer and do quite literally better than anybody. Many other platforms, they provide you with a box. And if you want to ask questions inside that box, they're perfect for you. But what happens if their definition inside that box is a little bit different? Or you need something that's just outside of that? That's where those other tools tend to struggle, tend to break down. And because of the way that they operate, and it's not a knock against them, it's just a different operating model, they're not going to be able to address that. Our solution is designed to be extended. It's designed to say, here's this base layer that we believe is 70 to 80% of what you're going to need. But guess what? How credit union A operates and credit union B operates, or community bank A operates and community bank B operates, even if they have the exact same tech stack and have the exact same assets, and even sometimes in the exact same markets, are going to have different nuances, how they've customized those tools with which we need to extract data out of. So without getting too deep into the technical side of it, our system is designed and meant to be extended. The joke that we have internally is we can always tell when one of our clients stops using Gemineye because they stop putting in support tickets for customizations. But no one has stopped putting in those tickets, so we know that everyone is still using. And that's what happens. 3 years ago, everyone was focused on how do we capture more loans? How do we improve our yields? And let's focus on lending and origination reporting. No one gave much thought outside of the CFOs, whose job it was to manage the balance sheet, to liquidity and much of the focus on the deposit side. Now, fast forward, deposits and liquidity, and how do we lower our cost of funds and not offer 5% CDs just to get the money in the door, but not be able to make a profit on those funds that we get in on the lending side? That's the big challenge. So if you bought something 3 years ago that was based on, hey, these lending reports look great, the deposit stuff's not great, but we'll get to that when we get to that. Well, now we're at that point and you don't have what you need. Our solution is designed to, in that metaphorical box that we talked about, that box is ever expanding. So if we're just outside that box in our environment, great. Now we just redraw that line, get you what is needed, and now everything can fall within the Gemineye platform. So it's an entirely different operating model, but ours is designed to be extended. And the way that we've managed our code repository and how we have those structures ensures that we have scalability, lifecycle management, feature release capability, but also, quite literally, we have some clients that have thousands of additional columns that they've added as customizations, and there's quite literally no limit to what that could be.